Good morning, children. Are you all ready for today's maths class? Yes, in today's maths class, we are going to learn a new topic, okay? Addition by carryover method, okay? Carryover method, okay, children? Please concentrate and listen, okay? Yes. I'm going to give you an example now, okay? So here tens, ones, okay? 37, okay? Plus 3, okay? So 37 plus 3, okay? First, what we will do? We will add the ones place, right? What is there in ones place? 7 and 3. What is there? 7 and 3. Right? Yes. Can we add 7 and 3? 7 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10. What are we getting? We are getting the answer 10. Right? We are going to write the 10 outside. Okay? Why we are writing it outside? Children, we cannot write 10 here, right? Yes, we can write only one number in ones place. We cannot write two numbers in ones place, okay? So, we are writing it outside, okay? First, and then after writing 10 outside, you are going to separate this, okay? Tens and ones, okay? So, what is there in tens place? 0, right? Write 0 in the below the ones place, okay? The answer of ones place, and then the 1 in tens place will be carry forward, okay? It will go to the next tens place, okay? Actually 10 means that 1 is an 1 will be in tens place, right? So we are carrying it forward, okay? Now we are going to add those two. 3 in the mind, 1 in the finger, okay? After 3, 4. So the answer is 40. Okay, children, what is the answer? 40. One more sum we will do, okay? $28 plus 3. Okay, 28 plus 3. Okay, first what we will add? We will add the tens place. Sorry, we will add the ones place. Okay, so 8 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11. When we get two numbers as answer, we will write it outside. 8 plus 3 is 11. So we are writing it here. Okay. Write it little bit bigger. Okay. And we will divide this as tens and ones. Okay. So the 1 under the ones place will come here, and the 1 under the tens place will go up as a carry forward. Okay. Now we are going to add the 2 and 1. We have nothing here. Okay. So don't worry. 2 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 2, 3. So what is the answer? 31. Okay, children. This is the most simple way of adding. Okay, children. If we do sums, you can find it easy. Okay. Don't worry. It is very, very easy. Okay. Yes. First, we will add the single digits. Okay. Double digit with single digit. and then I will teach you to add the double digits, 2 double digit. Okay, I will do the 4 sums, and these 4 sums are your homework. Be ready. Okay, you have to practice. You should know to do it by yourself. If I do and tell the answer, there will be no use. So you have to practice doing sums. Okay, yes. First sum. Okay, take out your pencil. Yes. Write along with me, children. For 46 plus 7. We have nothing here. Okay. 46 plus 7. 6 in the mind, 7 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What is the answer? 13. So write 13 outside. Okay. So what we will do? This is tens and this is ones. So we will write the ones answer here, and tens answer we will carry forward. Okay. Okay, children, we will carry forward the tens answer. And then what we will do? We will add both the numbers. So 4 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 4, 5. Super. So the answer is 53. Okay, children, what is the answer? 53. Did you all write it? You have to write the answer outside also. Okay, you should have that habit. Okay, yes. Can we move to the next one? Yes. 58 plus 3. 58 plus 3. What is it? 58 plus 3. Okay. 8 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11. So what is the answer? 11. So ones place we will write the answer here, and these tens place we will carry forward. So 5 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 5, 6. So what is the answer? 61. Okay, children? Yes. What is the answer? 61. Okay. Can we move to the next one? 79 plus 4. 79 plus 4. Okay. 9 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What is the answer? 13. Okay. So we will write the ones place 3 here and tens place 1 up. Okay, we are carrying it forward. Okay, carry forward 1. Next, 7 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 7, 8. So what is the answer? 83. Okay, children, what is the answer? 83. Okay. Yes. I hope you all understood now, right? If we do so many sums, then only you can understand. Okay, children? Don't worry if you don't understand. Listen to the video again and again. Okay? You will get it. Okay? Don't worry. Okay, children? Next one. 82 plus 9. 82 plus 9. Okay. 2 in the mind, 9 in the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What is the answer? 11. So write 11 here. Okay. Next, what we will do? We will write 1 here and 1 carry forward. Okay. Yes. Next, 8 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 8, 9. So what is the answer? 91. What is the answer? 91. Super. So you all understood this, children? These 4 questions is going to be your homework. Okay. E, F, G and H is your homework. So write HW here. Okay. Yes. Next, we are going to add two two-digit numbers. Okay. By carry forward method. We already did this, right? But we are going to carry forward. The extra thing we will just carry forward. That will be the only extra thing here. Okay, children? I will teach you the first sum. First, what we will add? We will add the ones place. What are there in the ones place? 6, 5. Okay. So, what is the question first? 56 plus 25. So, first we will add 6, 5. 6 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, write the answer 11 here. Okay. So, we will write 1 here and 1 carry forward as usual. Okay. But what is going to be special in this? We are going to add 3 numbers here. Okay. 1 plus 5 plus 2. Okay. So what we are going to do is we are going to add these 2 numbers first. I am going to write the answer here. And then this number and this number we are going to add and write the answer here. Okay. We are going to add these 2 numbers. 5 and 2 we are going to add and write it outside. Okay. As we wrote here, we are going to write the answer here. And then we are going to add that with this number and write the answer. How to do? 5 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7. So write 7 here. Okay. Now 7 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 7, 8. So the answer is 81. Okay, children. First we will add the ones place and write it outside. We will write the answer and we will carry forward it. Okay. And then add the numbers in tens place and write it outside. And we will add the outside number with the carry forward number. Okay, children. And write the answer. Can we do the next one? Yes. 73 plus 19. What is it? 73 plus 19. Okay. 3 in the mind, 9 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, we will write 12 outside. Okay? Yes. After writing 12 outside, we will write the ones place 2 here and the 1 above. Okay? Now, we are going to add 7 and 1. 7 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 7, 8. Okay. After adding 8, we will add this with the carry forward number, right? 8 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 8, 9. So what is the answer? 92. Okay, children? You all understood? Yes. Next one. 68 plus 25. 68 plus 25. 8 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What is the answer? 13. And then we are going to add 6 plus 2. No. Before adding, we have to... What we have to do? You should not just like that add, right? You have to write 3 here and 1 carry forward. Yes. You should not forget the steps, okay? Next, 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8. So write 8 here. Now add 8 and 1. 8 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 8, 9. So the answer is 93. Okay, children? Yes. Can we do the next sum? 43 plus 37. 43 plus 37. Okay. First we will add the ones place. 3 plus 7. 3 in the mind, 7 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the answer? 10. We will write 0 here and carry forward 1. Now we will add 4 plus 3. 4 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we will add these two. 7 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 7, 8. So what is the answer? 80. So now you have understood the concept of carry forward. Yes, these 4 questions are going to be your homework. M, N, O and P. Okay. You are having 8 sums homework. E, F, G, H and M, N, O, P. Okay. Yes. Now we are going to do the word problem. Okay, children, what is it? Word problem. We are going to read the sum and write the question and we are going to add. Okay. Today I am going to help you writing the numbers. Okay. You are going to add and show me the answers. Okay. I will send you the answers in the next class. Okay. When you are getting the video, you will get the answers for the homework whatever I have given today. Okay, children. So what I am going to do is I am going to read and help you writing the numbers. Okay. You are going to add. Okay. You are going to check whether it is addition or normal addition or addition by carry forward. Okay. You have to find it and you have to write it. Okay. You have to do it. Okay. Yes. First question. There are 35 fish in a river. 18 more joined them. So 18 more have joined them. how many fishes are there in all? So they are telling us to add. So write 35 plus 18. 35 plus 18. Yes? So you are going to add. Okay? Add and write the answer. Next question. Ashab had 17 beads. Okay? Her mother gives her 19 more. How many beads does Ashab have now? So 17 beads and 19 more. So 17 plus 19. You are going to add. Okay? Yes. Next one. Saira makes 35 cookies. Some guests come and she makes 27 more. How many cookies does she make in all? So how many she is going to make? Can we count? 35 plus 27. Okay. You have to add. Next. Winnie had 48 toffees. Her mother gave her 18 more toffees. How many toffees does she have now? So what you have to do? We have to add. Okay. 48 plus 18. You are going to add and write the answer here. Okay. Last one. There were 11 deer in a zoo. 9 more joined in. How many deer are there now? So joined in means they have added. So 11 plus 9. So you are going to add and write the answer here and here. Okay, children? Okay. So you all do this. I will share the answer with you. Okay, children? Till then, be safe at home and enjoy. Thank you, children. Sai Ram.